Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this project. I'm currently in quarantine, but I'm feeling better now, so I thought it's time for a challenge. And the challenge today will be, I have to start a small business while I'm in quarantine, and I only can use the opportunities I have here in quarantine. I'm only allowed to stay in this room, in the bath, and in the room where are my 3D printers located. So I thought I will produce personalized door hangers like that and sell them and try to earn some money. And now I will show you how easy and completely free you can create STL files like that. I always start in Paint and I use the font Realistic. You can download it for free. Then save the file as a PNG file, and then you should go to the website AnyConf. There you can convert a PNG file into an STL file. This is also completely for free. Just upload the file, then convert it, and after that download it, and then you should go to Tinkercad. This is an awesome website. It's also completely for free, and there you can create super easily 3D models like that. You don't have to spend a lot of hours for learning. It's super simple to use. And yeah, after you created the two circles, just import your STL file, set the height to 3 millimeters because my project is 3 millimeters high, and then you can go on like this. Okay, now this is really important. Make sure that every single part is overlapping each other, so when you choose them and connect them, they are really connected properly. Here I am using a block to connect the two letters, so there will be enough strength. Just set the block to a height of 3 millimeters and then you can go on. After that, choose every single part and connect them. After that you can export your STL file, put it into Cura, slice it, and voila, there is your G-code. So far the result looks good. Now we have to try to do some good pictures in my room with my phone. Me trying to create photos without shadows. Okay, in the next 1 or 2 weeks I will do another video and I will show you if the challenge was successful or not. And I will show you how much money I did, and which platforms I used to sell this product. And yeah, like, subscribe, comment, whatever, but don't miss the next part. Okay. Where I will show a little bit. Understood? Yeah.